How to link bank accounts in Money Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to link your bank accounts in the Money Manager app, making it easier to track all your finances in one place. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Now tap the Accounts tab right here, tap on it. Now tap on this plus right here, tap on it. Now you can select your account type, like you can choose accounts from here. Now you can add the name, like your account name, add it, and you can enter your amount, enter it. Now you can add its descriptions. You can skip this as well. Now once you are done, tap on this save, and that's it. Your bank account is now linked and you can easily manage all your money in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.